Did you know that many California counties now allow online divorce filings? This modern approach can simplify your divorce process, making it more efficient and less stressful. Let's explore how this works and what you need to know. First, check your county's eligibility for online filing through official websites. This step is crucial to ensure you're on the right path. Once confirmed, you're ready to proceed with the necessary forms. Complete essential forms like the petition, summons, and UCJEA accurately. These documents lay the foundation for your divorce case. Ensure every detail is correct to avoid unnecessary delays. Learn the differences between e-filing and traditional filing methods. E-filing offers convenience and speed, while traditional methods may require more time. Choose the option that best suits your situation. Understand the importance of legally serving your spouse. This step is mandatory to proceed with the divorce. Consider hiring professional process servers to ensure everything is done correctly. After serving, focus on financial disclosures and settlement agreements. These are crucial for a smooth transition. Both parties must exchange information about assets, debts, and income. Discover how Divorce661.com can assist with document preparation and filing. Benefit from step-by-step guidance and flat fee pricing, ensuring transparency and no hidden costs. Contact Divorce661.com for a free consultation to ensure a smooth divorce process. By choosing professional assistance, you'll navigate the complexities with ease and confidence.